When an injured victim in New York contacts me to ask me legal questions, do you know what 2 questions I ask them right off the bat? Would you like to let me answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So here are the 2 questions that I ask every single person who calls my office to ask if they have a valid case. What do you think was done wrong, and what injury did you suffer as a result of that? Now, why would I ask those 2 questions? First of all, it gives me a sense of what you believe was done wrong. Was there a careless driver? Was there a doctor who you think did something improperly? Now, the reason I ask those 2 questions is because contained within those 2 questions are 3 things that I need to learn about. It's called liability, causation, and damages. So when I ask you, what do you think was done wrong? I'm trying to get a sense of who's responsible here, who's careless, what was the carelessness? And the next part of the question is, and what injury did you suffer as a result of that? We have to show that there is a direct connection between the wrongdoing and the harm that you've suffered. That's known as causation. So when I ask you, and what injury did you suffer as a result of that wrongdoing? That's the connection, that's the bridge between the liability, the carelessness, and the injury. And then, what injury did you suffer? That tells me or gives me some idea about the type of injury or damages you experienced as a result of someone's carelessness. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what I need to know when I speak to you on the phone. And by the way, now you know those 2 questions that I'm going to be asking you right off the bat. So if you do have legal questions and your matter happened here in New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.